name is Jacklyn Dougherty, and today we're going to be doing a point combination. We're going to be doing a sous-sus, then we're going to be doing a passe, change back. Sous-sus, and then you're going to go passe, same leg, change forward. Sous-sus, passe, change back. Sous-sus, passe, change back. And then you're going to tendu into fifth, and then repeat the other side. So 5, 6, and you'll go sous-sus, down, passe, change, sous-sus, down, passe, change, sous-sus, down, passe, change, sous-sus, down, passe, change, tendu to our fifth position. Now it's time for the other side. Sous-sus, down, passe, change, sous-sus, down, passe, change, sous-sus, down, passe, change, sous-sus, down, passe, change, tendu, and now your other leg is free. For more ballet combinations, please visit jacklyndougherty.com. Much love.